The invention of the typewriter was one of the most vital and evolutionary inventions in the 19th century. The typewriter was invented in 1867 by Christopher Latham Scholes. However, it was not commercially introduced until the year 1874, and although it took about 10 years to be commonly seen, once the typewriter was out in offices, it became a necessity. The typewriter was created with the intentions to make writing faster and increase the speed of printing and mass production of written work, and that is exactly what it did. Once businesses got their hands on a typewriter, they were able to increase business revenue and also save some money. Since you could work faster on a typewriter than by hand, you didn't need as many workers to pay. The typewriter also brought about and helped accelerate social change, opening up new jobs for women in the office, changes in business and the workplace, the spread of systematic management throughout the workforce. Although typewriters aren't seen as common today as they were a few hundred years ago, that doesn't mean they still aren't relevant. They've shaped our future to what it is today. And the invention of the typewriter has led to the invention of many other things we commonly see today, like the computer, which can be seen everywhere: school, the workplace, home, offices. So just because you don't see the typewriters as much today, we don't need to ever forget how they've affected our past and are continuing to shape our future.